Hi there, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I work in Scotland. Today I have been taking part in the Pootlers mini catalogue blog hop, the blog hop for the August to December 2020 mini catalogue. Pootlers is one of the teams that one of the larger teams I'm part of, and I'm hopping along with the team today. So, as you'll see, I've got my shopping list here. I keep forgetting to buy trimmer blades, so I've written it there on my pad to keep me right. So that's what that's about. So this catalogue is absolutely gorgeous. So the point of the blog hop is just to let you see some more of the stuff that's in this catalogue, because sometimes just seeing it up close. So today I'm going to work with the Dove of Hope stamp set and the Snowflake Splendor designer series paper. This is beautiful designer series paper, and it's well, it's about snowflakes, isn't it? And there's 6 different sheets and they're double-sided, so you've got 12 different patterns. So I'll let you have a quick look. It's like a frosted sky, ink blotty, the sort of thing I like making as well. But it's great when you get the paper with this sort of watercolory, inky effect. It's just gorgeous, it's beautiful. Lovely. It's got lots of shades of blue and a little bit of pink added into one of them. The sheet that I've chosen to work with for this project is this one or that one. I think I'm using this side. I've cut some bits. I think I'm going to use that side, but this side would work equally well, I think. So I've cut myself a panel from that. I'm going to use, what we got? Oh, I'm going to use these gems. I think I've got them out anyway. I just pulled out some bits and pieces. Where are these gems from? Good thing about the mini catalogue, it's got a handy index. Look, at the back it's like a picture index, which is useful. So there's 12 new designer series paper. Then you've got all these speciality papers. You've got balmy blue glimmer, red velvet, black glitter, brushed metallics. You've got plush poinsettia, speciality paper. It's like a flocked vellum. Then you've got red and green foil sheets. Oh, it's just divine. But these blue adhesive back gems, these are gorgeous too. But look at these wonderful gems as well. And then you've got snowflake adhesive backed embellishments as well. So yeah, some fab stuff in here. So I'll just let you see page 37. There's so much in here, it's just so much. Yeah, so these the blue adhesive gems are for going along with the Snowflake Splendor Wishes bundle. That I do have this bundle and I will be using them in the future, but I wanted to team them up with Dove of Hope for really quite a simple card in my head. So what I've done is it's just a layered card. So I've got one of my absolute favourite colours. I'm like, this is me, I'm a blue girl. So I've got why Seaside Spray base card, then a Night of Navy layer, and then a layer of this Snowflake Splendor. So I could do it that way, could do it that way. So basically I'm showing you bits of 2 different suites here. And then I've got a layer of night of navy and a piece of whisper white to layer onto that. And that's where I'm headed. Now I do have this out as well. I might use that, I'm not sure. Now this is called, it's actually meant really for the Halloween, the Halloweeny type. It's called Metallic Mesh Ribbon. It's absolutely gorgeous. You see, it's come along with one of the Halloween sweets. That paper is divine as well, that magic in this night. Oh, I just adore it. See the florals, oh, they're just gorgeous. In fact, I did my team swap with that because I love it so much. So yeah, this catalogue is absolutely wonderful. It's just, everything's to my taste, so it's a bit of a problem for the bank manager. But anyway, let's just get making this card. So we'll just layer this up and then we'll put this aside and let it dry, and I'll do the stamping bit. And then that just is going straight onto the card base. Now, there's so much in this mini catalogue, it's just going to make Christmas crafting so much fun. Yeah. So, if you're aware, I don't know if you're aware of the joining offer this month, it's absolutely fantastic. So, this would be a good time if you see a lot of things in that Christmas catalogue that you would like, because for where's my Night of Navy ink gone? Where are you? Here it is. I had it ready. So for £99, that's the cost to join up, and you don't have to run a business if you don't want to. You choose £130 worth of product, and then Stampin' Up are going to add another 2 stamp sets to that and some card kits. So if you did want to share with your friends, or you did want to build a business, you're getting, I think it's 16 card kits and a packet of gems extra. So 2 stamp sets, a packet of gems, and it's about 16 card kits. Well, what's not to like in that? That is just fantastic value. If I wasn't already a demonstrator, I'd certainly be joining up. I just love these. I don't know if I'm going to put this one on as, I don't know whether to have these 2 birds on or not, or just to keep it. Could have a bow there, couldn't I? I'm just going to keep it simple. And put this out the way. So I've got the silver and I've got the gems. We can just pull that. So let's just, Peace on Earth. Just layer that on there. going to be putting that there, but I think we'll have some of this underneath. I'm thinking if I cut, oops, maybe cut that too, or maybe I can do it in 3. 1, 2, yeah, 3's about right there. So I need, glue dots is probably the best thing if I knew where they were. Because I hadn't really planned it all out, I haven't got everything ready. Oh, here they are. So, oh, yeah, here we go. Poke it tool, that's always useful. Just put a few glue dots down here. I'm thinking just sort of likeable but not. I know what I want in my head, it's just not. Let's see. And take it back off again. If I put a glue dot in there and then just kind of twist it around it. Don't want rubber, I just want it so that I can loosely, I'll trim it off as well. Just see kind of where I'm going here. If you do better than me. So I'm just going to trim that there. So we've got sort of 3 layers that we can. I'm just sticking it down to, yeah, that'll work like that. Right, so then I think I'll just get a bit of foam sheet because that will help to hold all of that down quite firmly. Whoops, and I did see a new sheet in my drawer here, or a bit of a sheet anyway. I'm just going to cut a fairly decent chunk of this. I'm using this a lot. I'm just going to put this on the back because this will hold the ribbon in place as well. Right, let's have a look, see what we're doing here. That's fine. Actually going to need another little bit of this. So what I'm going to do, just to keep it down, it's lifting because of the ribbon, it is lifting a wee bit, so let's peel that off both sides and let's just tuck it in. Not seen? And that will just hold it nice and firm. It's completely not planned out, but sometimes they're the best projects. I didn't rehearse it. There you go. And I think just some gems. And we have a pretty card. It's not quite what I had in my head, but I think in some ways it's better than what I had in my head. So, there we go. I'm okay with that. Let's take all my shopping list off here. And there you go. What do you think? Peace on earth. So thanks for watching today. Please remember to subscribe and push the bell icon so that you can know when I'm coming on again. When a video goes out, or a live. I do quite a lot of live videos as well. But thanks so very much for watching, and please have a look around our blog hop. I will put the link to my blog in the description box below, and it's on JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk, and you'll get the instructions for the measurements and things on that. And if you do have a look at that, you will be able to see the links to all the other people in the blog hop, and there'll be millions, that's a bit of an exaggeration. There will be a lot of people taking part, and so there will be quite a lot of ideas for you to see. We really appreciate you coming and watching, and we really appreciate your positive comments and encouragement. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon.